Okay, Alice, you just passed your driving test. Congratulations again. Can you tell us a bit about your driving test? What happened during the test? What questions did the driving examiner ask you at the beginning of the test?
Okay, he asked me about the emergency button, and he also asked me about how I adjust my seat.
Okay, cool. And what maneuvers did you do during your driving test?
We did a reverse, and then a reverse in a straight line, and then we also did U-turn.
U-turn, was it at an intersection or T?
It was at an intersection.
Okay, a four-way intersection, right? And
No. Was it a four?
or a T intersection?
It was a T intersection.
Or a T intersection.
Yeah.
Okay. And did you go to highway?
Yes, I went to the motorway. That was scary, but yeah.
And your test was at 10:25 in the morning. That's why it was not a busy time. That's why you went to the motorway.
Yes.
Okay, why was it scary to go to the motorway?
I think the increasing of the speed and every car is speeding, yeah. But yeah, I'll get used to it.
Yeah, definitely. And were you nervous during the test?
At the beginning I was, but then I became comfortable and yeah, I just drove.
Okay, cool. Were you happy with the examiner's instruction, the way he was telling you the
Yes,
instructions?
they were very clear, and he will give them in advance. So at times he will give you two in advance so that you know what you're going to do. So he would say you are turning right here and you're going to turn right again. So that helps you to go into the correct lane.
Okay.
Yep.
Yeah, perfect. And you said you were from Zambia, right?
Yes, I'm from Zambia.
What are the differences that you think there in terms of driving are between here and Zambia?
I think here there's a lot of signs that you need to follow, and also in Zambia there are no motorways, so it's a first for me. Yeah, so that's why I'm still learning.
Okay, cool. What recommendations do you have for people who are going for the driving test?
I think be calm, try and remember everything that you have been practicing and you've been doing in your lessons. I think the greatest is just to be calm.
Okay,
Yeah.
great. Thank you very much. Congratulations again, Alice.
Thank you.